Today we're making Ma Hua, a traditional Chinese snack that's golden, crispy, and just a little bit sweet. Now the key to make Ma Hua is the dough. Let's get started. Now we'll need 5 grams of plain flour, 10 grams of yeast, 2 eggs, 3 spoonfuls of sugar. Add a bit more if you've got a sweet tooth, and a spoonful of honey. Don't waste the leftover honey, just dissolve it in a bit of the water and pour the whole lot in. Give that a good stir. Add a touch of oil. And pour in the water in 2 gulps. Now start kneading. If it feels a bit dry, add a splash more water. If it's too white, a little extra flour will fix it. Once it's come together nicely, pop the lid on and let it rest for about 1 hour. After that, drizzle a bit of oil on your board. Look at that, it's double in size. And take the dough out. Give it another quick knead. This helps it soak up the oil and make your mahua smell amazing. The more you knead, the smoother and the shinier it gets. Cut it in half. Roll each half into a long strip. And then cut into little pieces. Once you have done that, cover them with a cling film and let them rest for another 10 minutes. Now, take one piece, roll it into a thin rope, twist it in the opposite directions with both hands, then across the ends, and give it one more twist. And there you have it, the classic mahua shape. Next up, frying time. Pour some oil into your pan, turn the heat right up, and once you see little bubbles forming, it's ready. Drop the mahua in gently. Keep turning them so they don't burn. Keep turning. When they are golden and lovely on the outside, take them out. And that's it. Your beautiful, crunchy mahua is ready. Have a look inside. So soft and fluffy. Go on, take a bite. That's exactly the taste we're after.